guys, how to make a really easy paper Blackpink bookmark. So this is a really easy and cute craft to do, and will also only take like about 5 to 6 minutes to complete, and this will also be a really useful and fun craft to do as well. So as you see here, I've written the names of the Blackpink members, and on this side I've written Blackpink and this two cute pink hearts over here, and this front we have like a cute heart with the light pink sheet, and I also stuck a black mini heart in the center. So as you see, this is a really easy craft to do, and you can even use it. I'll just use it and show it to you guys. I'm just going to be taking this notebook, and you can take any page that you would like to keep it in. For example, I'll take this page, and you can keep this bookmark over here, and you can close it. So as you see, it acts like a good bookmark, and it helps you to mark the page. And also, as you see, you can see this cute heart at the top, which will like help us to locate the page much easier, and it will also look really cute and give like a good idea and decoration to your notebook as well. So this is a really simple craft and useful craft as well. So if you're definitely a Blackpink fan, you can try this craft. So without any further delay, let's get started. So before we start, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet. Like, share and comment. Also press the bell icon so that you will receive a notification whenever I upload the video. So now let's get into the video. So as you see, you can keep it in the center over here. So if you're going to be keeping it flat on some way, you can just turn it like this and you can keep it, or else you can turn it to the side and keep it. So this will also be looking cute, and whenever you want to be inserting it into a notebook, you can take this part over here and you can insert it. So we only need simple materials for this craft. So the first one is that I'm going to be taking a rectangular pink piece of paper like this. So you can even try this out for like a BTS fan. You can even take like black and purple paper and you can try it out. For this one, I'm going to be taking a light pink paper, and I'm also going to be taking a small square black paper. So first we're going to be taking this light pink paper, and I'm going to be folding it in half like this. So after we complete this, I'm just going to be cutting it at the bottom. So I'm just going to be giving it a proper shape. So as you see, since the paper is folded, we'll be having like some extra pieces connected over here. So I'm just going to be cutting it so that it will be proper and perfect in shape, because I don't want to have any mistakes in this. So the next step is that we're going to be cutting out a small heart like this over here. So if you guys want, you can take like a pencil or a marker to do it. So I'm just going to be taking a pencil. So I'm just going to be drawing a heart like this over here in this part. So as you see, we're just going to be cutting this remaining part out. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a scissor and I'm going to be cutting it. So do cut it slowly so that you don't make any mistakes. So I'm just going to be cutting it until this, and I'm going to be cutting this top part out. So please make sure that the cuttings are perfect so you don't mistake anything, so you don't do something wrong. So after you complete this, we'll be having like a half heart over here. So now I'm just going to be opening this piece. So after you open it, you'll be having one heart over here and one heart over here. It'll be like an upside down shape. So now I'm just going to be folding it back inwards like this. Then I'm just going to be folding it this way. So I'm just going to be folding this heart in this side over here. And I'm going to be turning this paper to this side, and I'm going to be folding this heart over here on this side. So now as you see, our heart will be ready on both the sides. So as you see at the top, we'll be having like a big line over here which like mistakes the shape of the heart. So I'm also going to be trimming it at the top over here so that the line is gone, and it'll also look much cuter and better. So I'm just going to be cutting this over here, and now our heart will be ready. So after you cut it, we'll be having two shapes like this. So we're just going to be gluing it together like this. So I'm just going to be keeping this piece separate, and I'm going to be using a glue bottle, and I'm going to be applying glue over here. So do not apply too much glue, or else the paper will smudge and it might also tear. So just apply a little bit of glue over here, and you guys can use like a chopstick or an ice cream stick to spread the glue. And now I'm just going to be sticking this gently over here on top of this. So please do this step very carefully, because even if you do like a little centimeter mistake in this, then the shape of the heart would be a big mistake and a flop. Then you have to redo it again. So if you want to make it more stronger, you can even use like a cardboard on beneath it. So this will always be strong because we're sticking two pieces of paper over here. Since we're sticking two papers over here on both the sides, it will be stronger. But if you want to make it more stronger, you can take like a little thin cardboard piece, or if you order something, you can take that box and you can cut it, and you can even stick that as well. So over here, make sure that you do not stick the top part. So you're supposed to leave the heart empty. You're only supposed to stick until this line. So now I'm just going to be folding this paper over here on this side, and I'm going to be turning this on this side, and I'm going to be folding this as well. So as you see, now our heart will be ready. So now I'm going to be taking this small black square paper that we had, and I'm going to be folding it in half. So I'm going to be cutting out the heart in this one as well. So make sure that you cut it very small, since we're going to be sticking it inside this heart. So if it's big, it won't fit inside that one. So now I'm just going to be opening it, and our really cute another heart is ready. So I'm just going to be sticking this inside this. So for that, I'm just going to be turning this and keeping this paper like this. So you can just fold it to the bottom and keep it like this, so that you can stick this paper, and once you stick it, you can turn it to the opposite side. So I'm just going to be applying a little bit of glue, and I'm going to be taking this black heart that I cut out, and I'm going to be sticking it inside it over here. So now I'm going to be turning it to the center, and our bookmark will be ready. So as you see, the bookmark looks very plain, so we're just starting off with some decorations to make it more cute and prettier. So for that, I'm just going to be taking a pink marker and a black marker for this purpose. So you guys can take any color and do it. So if you're going to be doing it for different characters, for example, if you're making like an Elsa, Anna, or any Disney character bookmarks, you can use those colors to decorate. So here, I'm just going to be writing Blackpink. So I'm just going to be starting off by writing it. So make sure that you do not write it very close to the side, or sometimes you might fold it this side, and if you write something over here, that part might go blank. So keep your writing and stop it until this part. So I'm going to be writing Blackpink over here. So you can write anything that you want. You can even do different decorations to this as well. So I've completed writing Blackpink, as you see, and here I'm just going to be drawing two mini hearts on both the sides. So while you're doing it, just fold this paper to the opposite side, so that this area will not be folded over here. So I'm just going to be folding it back to this part, and I'm going to be drawing a heart over here, and I'm going to also be drawing another heart on this side as well. So as I told you, keep this part folded so that you will not write anything mistakenly on the bottom of this. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be taking a black marker, and I'm just going to be drawing one more heart on top of it. So I'm just going to be giving like an outline or a boundary to make it look highlighted. So once we complete this, our one side decoration will be ready. So I'm just going to be taking this pink marker, and I'm just going to be giving a cute line boundary over here on top of each letter. So I'm also going to be doing it at the bottom part as well. So once we complete this, I'm just going to be turning the paper to the opposite side, and I'm just going to be doing some more decorations on this side of the paper as well. So I'm going to be repeating the same step. I'm going to be folding this heart to this side, so that I won't write something mistakenly over here on this bottom part. So next, I'm just going to be writing the Blackpink member's name over here for more decorations. So I'm just going to be writing Lisa over here. I'm just going to be leaving some space, and I'm going to be writing Jisoo in the bottom, and Jenny at the top over here, and I'm going to be writing Rosie at the bottom. So now we've written the names. So if you guys want, you can draw like a small heart next to each of the members, so that it looks more prettier. So for more decoration, as I told, I'm just going to be drawing a cute heart next to each other, each of the names, but I'm not going to be giving an outline, because since these hearts are too small, if I give an outline, then it might get smudged. So I'm just going to be drawing two hearts for each line. So totally we'll be having 4 hearts since we have 2 lines. So after we complete this, our really easy bookmark is ready. So on this side we have the Blackpink members' names, and on this side we have the name Blackpink, and we also have 2 hearts over here. So if you want to be keeping it flat, you can fold it to this side, or you can fold it to this side, and when you're going to be using it, you can keep it in the center. So as you see, this bookmark is now ready. So I'll just show it to you guys one more time as well. So I'm just going to be taking this one, and I'm going to be inserting it inside over here, and I'm going to be closing it. So our bookmark is ready, and you can also see a heart over here as well. So I'm also going to be inserting this one and showing it to you guys. So as you see, this looks really cute and also very really useful craft to you guys. So you can spend a little bit of time to make this craft, since it can be useful while you're taking notes or studying. You can use this bookmark and you can insert it, and also be really motivational to you guys, since a lot of you guys like Blackpink. It will motivate you to go and study more, since who would like to see this bookmark. So this is a really easy craft, as I told you guys, and you can definitely make it out. You can do more decorations to it and decorate it any way you like. So after we complete this, our really easy paper Blackpink bookmark is ready. So thank you for watching. If you have any doubts or ideas about what I should post in my channel, do comment in the comment box below. I'll see your comments and respond to them as soon as possible. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time on Craft Kids. Bye!